Usually I just do a certain number of these, like 7, 8 a day, on record day that is. Ooh. Usually I do a certain number of these, but I'm gonna just keep going with it. My camera's about halfway gone now. I've done about, I want to say 8 videos, so I'm just gonna keep going till the camera dies. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am your Pokemon World champion. I'm also your YouTube Shorts champion. If you don't believe me, here's the title to prove it. And I swear to you, everything here is official. All you gotta do is contact Dallas. He'll let you know. Today, I have a sword and shield. Chilling. Fusion. Strike. And an evolving skies. These are my last 2 hits from the previous videos. A Norvern I pulled off cam because my cam ran out of memory. And a Sandaconda V, which I pulled 100,000 times. But let's pull something new today. Sword and shield. Give me that money. Let's go. Pack trash. Go card. Go card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Just move right there. Right on. Potion. Great Ball. Clobberpuss. Rhyhorn. Billbug. Choodle. Rosalie. The wacky for the reverse. 7. Give me something good. Sandaconda. That's actually pretty good art. I never liked Sandaconda though. It's just he's a troll to me. I'm not a fan of trolls. Okay, we move on to Chilling Rain. Let us go. Pack trash. Go card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. Energy. Ladian. Welcoming Lantern. Clara. Snowbird. Yamask. Galarian style. Coughing. Shuppet. Squovit. Crab Brawler. 7. Wheezing. Nothing there. I'm 0 for 2 right now. 2 backs. 2 backs left. Fusion Strike. Let's go. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Here we go. Energy. Sydney VIP Pass. Graveler. Heliotopic. Heliopic. Huh. Wooloo. Glossifer. Mudkip. That's so cute. Mudkip. Sandshrew. Meowth for the reverse and for the finale. 7. Golem. I'm pulling some really nice artworks for these guys. Golem exploded on me a million times in the games. I'm pulling really nice art, but I'm not pulling any hits. Evolving Skies. Let's break that streak. Get our relationship back where it used to be. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. Dark Energy. Flaffy. Bravery. Switching Cups. Swablu. Chocolate, C-Dot. Woobat. Eevee. Tight Pull. Treasure Energy for the reverse and for the finale of this last pack. Can I pull a hit? Nope, nothing good today, Leviathan Squad. Leviathan Race. But if you come back tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? We might be able to pull an altar, you know. You never know when it comes to my channel, you feel me? So I've been your Pokemon World Champion. That's Alexander Leviathan. I keep it in the family with Savin and with Valor, with Alice. We all doing nice. Oh, my bad. World Champion. And the YouTube Shorts Champion. And I will see you again tomorrow for more. So come back for more. Valor, send them home. It's a short video, isn't it?